In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to schedule appointments using Housecall Pro, a powerful software tool that helps service businesses manage their appointments all in one place. If you're new to Housecall Pro and wondering how this tool can make your life easier, stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can use it completely free with an exclusive offer you won't find anywhere else. Housecall Pro is an intuitive platform that makes appointment scheduling incredibly simple and efficient. To get started, log into your Housecall Pro account and navigate to the Schedule section. From here, you'll have a calendar view that allows you to see all of your upcoming appointments at a glance. You can also view the schedule by day, week, or month, whichever works best for you. To create a new appointment, simply click on the Add Appointment button, and a new window will pop up. You'll want to fill out the necessary details, such as the customer's name, contact info, and the type of service being provided. Housecall Pro allows you to customize your service list, so whether you're doing plumbing, electrical, or any other service, you can select the appropriate job right from the drop-down menu. Once you've entered the service details, you can choose the date and time that works best for your customer. If your schedule is already packed, the software will automatically show you available slots based on your current appointments. This helps you avoid overbooking and ensures that you're always on top of your schedule. Now, one of the best features of Housecall Pro is its ability to send automatic reminders to customers. Once you've scheduled an appointment, you can enable notifications to send reminders via email or text. This reduces no-shows and ensures that your customers are always prepared for their appointment. But that's not all. Housecall Pro also allows you to offer easy rescheduling. If a customer needs to change their appointment, they can do so directly through the app, and the changes will be automatically updated on your calendar. You'll never have to worry about miscommunications or missed appointments again. For those managing multiple team members, Housecall Pro makes team scheduling a breeze. You can assign specific appointments to different team members based on their availability, skill set, or location. This keeps things organized and helps you optimize your team's time. Plus, you can even track their progress and ensure that everything is running smoothly. Housecall Pro also integrates with Google Calendar, so you can sync your personal and business schedules all in one place. This eliminates the need to juggle between different tools and helps keep everything in sync across devices. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can try Housecall Pro completely free using the link below. With our exclusive offer, you'll get access to a free trial, which will give you a chance to explore the software and see just how easy it is to schedule appointments and manage your business. It's a game changer for anyone who's tired of complicated scheduling and wants to streamline their workflow. To wrap things up, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one tool that simplifies appointment scheduling, customer communication, team management, and more. It's an essential tool for service-based businesses, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and experience Housecall Pro for yourself.